Hey guys, this is a 97 to 01 harness, meaning it'll fit anything from a 97 to 01, or it fits 97 to 01 components. This is the most popular harness I think that we sell to you guys with Banshees. We're currently out of the flag terminals right now, so this one has been built and it's on the waiting table, waiting to be finished up and shot out to the customer. If you've ordered in the past couple of days and noticed your tracking is not, there's no updates, it's because it's still sitting here. Your harness is built. We're waiting for terminals to come in. Sorry about the delay. It's just we are getting swamped. We're 10 behind as we speak right now. 10 need to be built as of now. Okay, so this is a 97 to 1. It retains everything that you need for the bike to run properly and doesn't have all the excess tours and the park brake. These are your headlights. They fit 97 to 01 headlights. Here's your 97 to 01 key hookup, ignition switch hookup. Your 97 to 01 light switch. All OEM colors. This would be your coil. It doesn't have tours, doesn't have park brake. Here's your 97 to 01 stator. This is your lighting coil. It comes from your stator. And here's your voltage regulator right here, your hookup. Sweet. And then out back right here are your 97 to 97 up actually CDI connectors. These connectors fit the 3GG-10 CDI, 97 to current, or 97 to 2012 overseas. Here's your tail light, ground ring, and there it is. This is a replacement harness for a 97 to 01 bike. Again, no tours, no park brake. Hadn't done a video of this one yet, so I figured I would show you guys what it looks like. So there it is, guys. You guys have a good evening. Stay safe, stay healthy.